You have just such a strong design aesthetic that is so good. I heard this thing once that in a business, there's the hipster, the hacker, and the hustler. So in LifterLMS, I'm the hustler, Thomas is the hacker, and we have a team bigger than that, but we've never been super strong on the hipster, which is the design part. And then I see work like Melissa does, and I'm like, this is the hipster, the design talent. How can non-designers level up?
I think what I find again and again, because I have online courses where I teach students how to build their own website, what has normally happened in the past is that people just install a theme and start designing. And the theme looks pretty good when you load it up, and then you put your own images in. Then you kind of maybe change some fonts to your brand font, but you don't maybe have a plan. So you leave some of the fonts that came with the theme. And before you know it, you've got something that's just a bit jumbled. And you're like, why doesn't it look as good as the demo? And it's really demoralizing. And I completely understand why people do that. But when I start a project, it starts on paper. We come up with a brand guide, and it has every font, every size for mobile, for tablet. It has what a button will look like. It will have a style tile. It'll have a rough layout. And we make this brand guide before we go anywhere near a live site. Certainly, I always do a homepage wireframe, which does start off with little boxes on paper, but then I fully design it out in Illustrator so that it's a finished article for the client to sign off. And only then do we start to go over and work in the browser.